This wig is so Chantae. Yes, you guys. I'm crazy about it. Yes. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alaysia Chantae. If you're new here, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We're so close to my 500 subscriber goal. Once we get there, I'm going to be doing my first giveaway. So if you would like to be, a part of that, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And from the title, I'm sure you guys can tell what type of video this is. So if you're interested, then keep watching. So you guys, I am so excited because this is my first freaking time ordering a wig. I haven't even opened it yet. I'm super nervous. I'm scared. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and hop into this. This wig is from Go Beauty, New York. As you can see on the box. I ordered it online. This wig was $28 and I paid $24 and some change, I think. I'm not exactly sure. I'll leave exactly what I paid here, how much it was and what I paid. And I actually used a discount code that was being promoted online. But I'm going to go ahead and open up this box. Okay, so finally when I open the box, the first thing that I see, ignore my squeaking chair please, but the first thing that I see is this little paper just showing you some of their items, I guess. And here it also has the little the billing information and stuff. So I folded it up so you wouldn't see, my address and all of that. But that is how much it costs, the little discount code that I use and all of that. So I only paid $24.59 when the original price was $28. So lastly in the box, here is the wig. This is the Sis wig, Glamorous Glam Myra by Zury. Oh, my lighting is so terrible. I'm so sorry. Let me see what I can do. Okay, so yeah, you can't really see it. I'm gonna take it out of this packaging and show you guys. So this is the wig. I didn't get this color. I got it in a color 2. But I really wanted to try out this color. But of course, this is my first wig, so I was scared. So I decided to just get a color 2. But it comes with all of this stuff in here to keep the shape. This is a lace wig, you guys. Just trying to get all of this extra stuff out of here. This is what it's looking like. It's pretty shiny. Okay. Another one of these. What is this? Just hair? But okay, this is what it's looking like. So far the curls are really pretty. It's not as shiny in person as it's looking on camera. But yes, it is really pretty, you guys. I feel like I might have made a nice purchase. All of this junk is just falling out. I don't know what it is. But okay, the tag or whatever. This is, I'll show it again, the model. That's what it looks like on her. And you guys, I'm just going to really just be throwing this on my head. I'm not going to be doing too much customizing or anything. But I will show you guys what's going on here. The inside, you have 2 combs in the front, a comb in the back, adjustable straps. Of course, the lace is in there as well. And then here is the parting. I really wish the lighting was not this terrible, but the parting, it's not too bad. Just coming straight out of the pack. Okay, you can see it a little better now. It's not too bad just coming straight out of the pack. But yeah, I'm pretty impressed so far. It's pretty long and the curls are really pretty. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and prepare my head for this wig and show you guys what it looks like. So my hair is prepped, but before I actually get into putting it on, I do want to mention that on the card it tells you how to care for the wig, and it also tells you that it is heat safe up to 400 degrees. So we're going to go ahead and cut this off and get into this wig. just with playing with the wig, I've gotten just a little bit of shedding. It's nothing terrible, but you guys can see it's just a couple of strings. So yeah, just want to point that out. But I'm actually going to go ahead and put on the wig. Okay, so it does fit just a little tight, but it's not too tight, and it's looking pretty crazy right now. And this is a middle part, and I have my mirror over here, that's why I keep looking this way. Just trying to get her together. She is freaking soft, first of all. So I'm gonna get this comb and fix these curls. Ooh, ouch, I grabbed my edges. I'm gonna fix these curls. You see, I'm just getting just a little tangling. But on the card it does say to comb from the bottom up in sections. But oh, it is so pretty. This just might be a good wig, y'all. It's really pretty and it's long, like, and I'm short. I'm pretty, well, I'm not that short. I believe I'm like 5'4", maybe 5'5". This is really cute. But again, the parting, it can use some work. It's not the worst, but it can definitely use some work. And I do need to scoot this forward just a little. But yes, you guys, this is pretty. I wonder what it looks like straightened. That would be interesting. But yeah, I'm getting some shedding. Okay, you see, still not too bad, but it is shedding. And I'm not gonna cut the lace or anything on this video or do any customizing. I just wanted to show you guys it straight, show you guys the wig straight out of the box. And yeah, you guys, this is the wig. I'm gonna do separate videos. I might do a customized video, but I am gonna do updates showing you guys exactly what the wig is looking like, how it's holding up. Yeah, you see, I'm getting some tangles. Let me get my paddle brush and see what happens. Okay, my brush took the braid out. So yeah, it does tangle, but that's right at the ends. It's just right at the end. But you see, I can run my fingers through at the top, but then when it gets to the ends, I might run into some problems. But yeah, this is really pretty. Yeah, like I said, I'm not going to do any lace cutting or anything until I actually customize the part in the hairline, because the hairline is super straight. And once I do cut the lace, I am going to have my edges and stuff out, as you can see. So, yeah. Would it be weird for me to do my outro with this wig on? So I'm going to try to shift her and see how she looks as a side part. Okay, you can do a little side partage if you want. Look at that. Okay, it doesn't look too bad as a side part either. The part doesn't go back too far. It stops about here, about the middle of my head, so that's not bad. Here, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys just show you guys the length on me and all of that. And yeah, that'll just really be it for this video. Yeah, it's a little all over the place, a little unorganized, because I just like got this wig today. The shipping, oh yeah, the shipping was pretty fast on this wig. I ordered it Friday, like late Friday, and I got it today. Is Wednesday, and of course they don't ship on the weekends and stuff. It's only business days, so shipping was pretty fast. And yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the length and stuff, and yeah, that'll be it. I'm gonna close up the video. So overall, I really love this wig. I love the layers. It frames my face really nicely. The texture is really pretty. It's not as shiny in person as it is on camera, as I mentioned before. But you guys, like, it's just so pretty. I'm really impressed, especially for the price of this wig. So yeah, you guys, that is pretty much it. Again, this is the Zury Sis Myra wig. I paid $24.59 with a little discount code, but it's really $28. But you guys, that is pretty much it. Stay tuned for, you know, an update on this wig with the I'm gonna customize it, but I'm probably not gonna do a video on that. But when I do come back with this wig, it's gonna be customized. I'm probably gonna do a straightening video and all of that. So if you're interested in all of that, then, you know, just stay tuned. And again, you guys, please be sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because we're almost at that 500 mark, and I really want to do this giveaway, you guys. So please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And yeah, that's it, you guys. I will see you in my next video.